Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay? And if you not join best binary broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading, okay? So let's start trading with this script, okay? And as we can see, market here is a signal by down. I have placed down trade for $200. Let's see the result, because this is a strong sellers area, as you can see. But this is OTC market. Some point I have sometime I have lose this trade, because this is a OTC market, very risky market, and this market is out of control market, okay? And as you can see, I have lose this trade, okay? No problem. I have okay, here is a very good decision, but market going up very perfectly, okay. I have placed $800 for up, okay, but I have very late entry, okay. Oh shit, I have placed my full balance. Let's see the result, okay? And as you can see, market going down. I have placed this trade is here. I have owned this trade, okay, no problem. And here is a very good situation, no problem, okay, very good. As you can see, market going very up perfectly, and as you can see, market going down up, okay. I have owned this trade 100%. No problem. And here is a up signal. Let's see the result. And as you can see, market going up, okay. I have owned this trade, no problem, okay. Here is a down trade, because here is a market signal by down and market going down very perfectly. Let's see the result, okay, very good. And as you can see, market going down. Let's see. Oh man, very bad, okay. Market is very bad, okay, no problem. I have already profit. Oh, script signal by up. I have very okay. I have placed it is here for $800. Sorry, $1,000. Okay, let's see the result of it. I have placed full amount. Okay, my balance is $3,000. I have placed full amount trade. Okay, let's see the result. as you can see, I have very good profit. And please like the video and please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Okay, bye bye, tata.